Hello and welcome to our second video in a series of recorded Zoom calls. My name is David Schweizer and we're back speaking with Brian Harlan, who is the owner of Distinctive Homes. For those that did not catch our first conversation, Brian and his family have been building and renovating homes locally for over 3 generations. So if you're a homeowner in Chester or Delaware County and in the market for stucco replacement or just been eyeing up a new home renovation project, Brian is here to help. Welcome back, Brian.
Hi, Dave. Thanks for having me back.
Hey, Brian, let's get right into this one. Last time we had a very interesting conversation about home renovations and stucco remediation. But today, I really wanted to ask you how you felt material costs would be impacted by this disruption to our economy.
Yeah, absolutely. So manufacturing was shut down and some plants are still down, but demand is back up and now manufacturing has to catch up with it. The exterior building weather is here, and with the high demand and low stock because of the recent shutdowns, companies like James Hardie and CertainTeed, they've already announced price increases with the anticipation of more to come. However, it's not too late. If you're looking to get some work done, you just may want to pull the trigger sooner than later. It's still a great time to have your stucco removed and replaced with a product like Hardie.
Yeah, and that answer is really logically leading me into a follow-up question, and that's regarding labor. Do you feel labor costs will be impacted in the current economic climate?
No, our crews are more of a skilled labor group, and while labor rates do increase over time, due simply to keeping up with higher costs of living, COVID crisis hasn't affected our current labor rates. And our field technicians have been in this business with us for a long time. A lot of my current guys, their fathers worked for my father, their grandfathers worked for my grandfather. So it's a family-based business, and there's a long line of skills that have been passed down through the generations.
Right. Okay, so in summary, material costs are likely to rise while labor costs are going to remain steady.
Correct.
All right, great. Hey, thank you for taking a couple of minutes today to gain some insight on these very commonly asked questions. But of course, a consultation to really get down to your individual project needs is needed to really drive home the most out of your project, both from a material and labor standpoint. So for your convenience, we're scheduling 15-minute consultation blocks, and we hope to be speaking with you soon about how we can help. In the meantime, you can do a few things. You can click on the calendar link below. You can call us anytime, 610-388-6007, or you can visit our website at My Distinctive Home. So until next time, we wish you and your family the best and hope to safely meet you soon.